mean, watching actors pala on screen or sa TV kapag na-interview sila about love life and everything. Let me tell you something about us now. Yes, we have the fame. Hindi po ako nagyayabang. Yes, we have money. Pambili ng pansit canton. Thing is, we also get sad. Really. Lonely. Really. And why? Yun yung mga times na wala kaming partners. Ito yung series ng nakakantahin ko na pang singles. Nung ginawa itong kanta to, sabi ko, tailor-made to para sa mga artista at sa mga singers, okay? Hindi ko na sasabihin kung ano yung title ng song na to, but I hope you enjoy this one. Alex, Smokey, Asunta, and Dominic, Mrs. Ochoa, Marcus Permal-Garcia, para po sa inyong lahat ito. Some people live for fortune. Some people live for fame. Some people live for the power. Yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people live for the physical things that they find. So full of superficial